yours and you're looking ready to set it on fire. Come on and cha-cha-cha with me, and I'ma cha-cha-cha with you tonight. I like it like that. She working that back. I don't know how to act.
Hello everyone, my name is Gita Novianja and my last ID number 302 and my friend.
My name is Nadia Agustina Pusitawardhani. My ID number is 316.
Okay everyone, we are classmates.
Absolutely right, and we have been friends for a year.
And we also have similarities, namely that we are both only children.
That's right. In the end, we became friends because we were compatible.
Okay, let's get started, Nadia. Today we're going to talk about our experience after spending 1 year in college as development economics studies.
Yes, it's hard to believe that we already complete 2 semesters. Time goes by so fast.
I still remember my first day on campus. Everything felt new and familiar.
Same here. Back then, I was excited but also nervous because I didn't know what college life would be like.
Let's start from the beginning. What was your orientation week experience like?
Honestly, it was one of the most exciting experiences during my first year. I met many new friends from different regions and backgrounds. It made me realize that college is very differs compared to high school.
I agree. My orientation experience at UPN Veteran Yogyakarta was very fun and lively. There were many activities that helped us get to know each other.
Besides having fun, I also learned discipline because some activities had a semi-military concept.
And teamwork as well.
Exactly, we had to work together to complete the achievement. By the way, why did you choose development economics?
I've been interested in economics science high school. I even joined economics competition before entering university. Because of that, I wanted to learn more about economics and improve my knowledge.
That's interesting. For me, I choose this major because it offers many career opportunities. Development economics graduate can work in government institutions, companies, bank, and many other sectors.
That's one of the reasons why our major is attractive. How did you feel on your first day or college?
My feelings were mixed. I was happy because I got accepted into one of my dreams universities. But at the same time, I feel nervous because I did know many people.
I understand that. At first, I was also shy because none of my high school friends studied here.
Fortunately, we gradually made new friends.
And now, our class feels like a second family.
Let's talk about classes. Which subject was the most difficult for you?
Definitely microeconomics. When I studied in high school, I found it easy. But in college, that concept became much deeper and more complicated.
I feel the same way. For me, statistics, microeconomic, macroeconomics were the most difficult,
Statistics gives me a head sometimes,
especially when there were lots of formula and calculations.
but in the end, the subject taught us important analysis skills.
How was your first midterm and final exam experience?
Honestly, I studied much harder than I ever did in high school. There were times when I sat up late reviewing materials.
Same here. I was surprised because even though there were many questions, each question required deep understanding.
College exams don't just test memories.
Exactly, they test how well we understand and analysis problems.
What's your biggest challenge during in your first year, Nadia?
Uh, Adapting to the college learning system, everything feels more independent compared to high school. I also had to learn how to manage my time better.
Okay, for me, the biggest challenge was balancing academics and organization. Sometimes I received many assessments while also handling organizational responsibilities.
I think many college students can relate to that. Besides studying, what activities do you join?
I was active as a class secretary, a staff member in interdisciplinary scientific research and UPN Veteran Jakarta, and I coordinator for Info National.
That's impressive.
This experience helped me improve my leadership and communication skills.
As for me, I join community service activities and volunteer at nursing home. It was a mini experience because I learned how important it is to contribute to society.
What was your favorite memory in this Nadia?
Especially community service activities and group projects with close friends. Working together became much more enjoyable when everyone shared the same enthusiasm.
For me, community service and our class gathering were unforgettable. We laughed together, worked together, and created many memories.
What are your goals for the future?
Mm, I want to maintain good grades and win several competitions.
That's great. I want to become more disciplined, improve my academic performance, participate in more campus activities, and graduate on time.
I believe we can achieve our goals if my team working hard.
Looking back, our first year was full of challenge, lessons, and memorable experience.
How we learn not how to become more independent, responsible, and confident.
And most importantly, we meet amazing friends along the way.
Okay, everyone, thank you for your listening to our story today.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation.
Good luck with your college journey and see you next time.